Yes, students, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start a second chapter, that is simple past. We use here was and were. See, rule first: subject, was, were, and object. Was, were also called linking verb. Was used with I, he, she, it, any third person singular, including who. Were used with you, we, they, or any plural. Yes, see, two words generally we use. Yesterday means last day. Day before yesterday means 2 days back. Yes, now see some examples. We were in village last year. I was with you yesterday. They were at the party last night. She was at home day before yesterday. You were in the class today. Who was with you yesterday? He was present in the meeting today. Mona was in the ground. I was at home the whole day. Yes, students, these are positive sentences. Again, here also we can change them into negative, interrogative, and interrogative plus negative, such as he was with you yesterday. He was not with you yesterday. Was he with you yesterday? Was he not with you yesterday? Yes. So now we have learned proper use of was and were. Now check yourselves. Students, remember one thing. You have to do practice yourselves honestly, without taking any help. Whether you have to go through more than once, means again and again, but while doing test, don't take any help. Now you can check yourselves. All the best. Thank you.